Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common household annoyance, a leaky faucet. Whether it's keeping you up at night or wasting water and money, fixing it is easier than you think. Stick around as we guide you through step-by-step on how to repair a faucet that leaks. Let's jump in. Step 1. Gather your tools. First things first, gather your tools. You'll need an adjustable wrench, screwdrivers both flathead and Phillips, replacement washers and O-rings if necessary, and plumber's grease. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. Before you start, turn off the water supply to the faucet. You can usually find shut-off valves under the sink. Once the water is off, turn the faucet on to drain any remaining water in the pipes. Step 3. Disassemble the faucet. Next, carefully disassemble the faucet. Use your wrench and screwdrivers to remove the handles, spout, and any decorative caps or trim pieces. Keep all parts organized to make reassembly easier. Step 4. Inspect and replace washers, O-rings. Inspect the washers and O-rings for wear and tear. These are often the culprits behind leaks. If they're damaged or worn out, replace them with new ones of the same size and type. Apply plumber's grease to the new parts before reassembly. Step 5. Reassemble the faucet. Once you've replaced any necessary parts, carefully reassemble the faucet in the reverse order of disassembly. Tighten everything securely but avoid over-tightening, which could cause damage. Step 6. Test the faucet. Turn the water supply back on and slowly turn on the faucet. Check for leaks around the handle and spout. If you notice any leaks, double-check your connections and make sure everything is properly tightened. Conclusion. There you have it. You've successfully repaired your leaky faucet. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent future issues, so keep an eye out for any signs of wear and address them promptly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment,